everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to Freshroll Kitchen.
This recipe is inspired by my auntie, and what I love about this dish is that it requires very little ingredients and it requires very little of your time. If you have some potato laying around in your kitchen, this is perfect to make enough for 3 to 4 servings. And this is also kids approved. My son loves this very much, and I love it too. Just over plain jasmine rice with some soy sauce on the side, you will have one delicious stir-fry dish. And don't forget some homegrown chives and scallions. I love putting that on there for some extra colors. Starting off with some cooking oil. I'm using the sunflower oil that I recently loved. Going to put some garlic and some onions, a little sprinkle of pink salt to soften. Bring the onions to caramelized color, and this, your kitchen already smells like food heaven. Going to add all the ingredients together with the carrots, potato, and sweet potato. You're going to cook this a little bit longer, but it's okay. With the help of some water, it will bring this potato very soften very quickly. Toss that around a couple minutes. I can add the sweet soy sauce. This is my go-to vegan oyster sauce, along with the regular soy sauce that I have. So basically, you can see the equation of making the stir-fried. Garlic is the must. Soy sauce and water is another essential ingredients. Now here, it's starting to turn that golden brown, and you're going to add a little bit more water. And this time, you're going to bring the heat low to medium, and find the right cover is also essential. I cannot master that yet. Just wait 5 minutes or so. The potato will be thoroughly cooked, and the carrots as well. You can test that with the help of the end of your fork. Now you see this? It looks so delicious. And I'm adding some black pepper and some fresh chopped scallions and chives. Just toss that lightly, and you're done. The stir-fried is served. The kids will love this. Like I said, my son, he basically loves everything that I cooked, but especially this dish. He thinks that he's eating French fries. And let's dig in with me. I will see you all next time when we make another delicious, healthy, vegan dish right here in Freshroll Kitchen.